I request everyone from the back as well, please settle down. Can I request all guests, please settle down so that we can start the proceedings. So we will begin the day with our national anthem. So can I request the team to please play the national anthem and all of us to stand?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. So, on this auspicious day of Navami, this is the Navami and a very auspicious day as well as the auspicious month of October as well. I invite all the guests, our esteemed guest from NSC, Dr. Arish Ahuja, our promoter family, Mr. Bajrang Bothra, Mr. Sanjay Singhania, Mr. LP Bothra sir, Mr. Ajay Singhania, and all the other family members, Mr. Nikhil ji, Rajat ji, Divisha, Avishi, Nitin ji. I request everyone now from the founder promoter family, I will take name to come up on the stage and start the lamp ceremony. Dr. Ayush Ahuja sir, Mr. Bajrang Bothra ji, LP Bothra sir, Ajay Singhania ji, Sanjay Singhania ji, Rajat Bothra ji, Mr. Nitin Bothra, Nikhil Bothra ji, Divisha Singhania, Avishi. Can I request all of you to please come on the stage and do the lamp lighting ceremony? And may I request the team to please play the Ganesh Vandana on the background?
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि
सर्वदा
Thank you, everyone, for this auspicious ceremony. I request the guests to please settle down. I would now request Gaurav Saraugi from Motilal team to come and start the day with a small introduction about what we have done here. Gaurav? Gaurav, are you there in the room? Motilal team, Gaurav? So, can I request somebody from Monarch to then do this? Vivek or Sahil? Would you be able to do this, Vivek? So I think the both the bankers are outside. So we will, in the interest of time, proceed with the other proceedings and then maybe invite the bankers on later half. So I hope that's fine, right? So now I would request our Executive Director, Mr. Nikhil Bothra, to come and start the day with an introductory session. Nikhil ji, please.
Today marks the culmination of a fabulous journey that was started by our promoters in 2000 to create a company in India, for India, and the world. This also marks a new start, a new era for Epack Prefab. A great vision, backed by swift implementation, has carved a niche for Epack in the prefab space. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a momentous day for us. We have built a company that we all can be proud of. Till 2020, we were one amongst the hundreds of prefab companies in India. But today, we have become one of the market leaders. And we have done this with a lot of passion, a lot of grit, a lot of innovation, and a lot of hard work. You know, we have been a trendsetter in the industry. And I specifically use the word trendsetter because we have shown over and over again and again the innovation, the world record that we have created, the speed of execution that the industry is following us has created us as a market leader. And we can see that in the growth of financials, in the growth of the turnover, in the growth of the people that we are operating with. I'm proud to state that in the last 4 to 5 years, we have operated in every state in the country. We have delivered more than 2,500 projects across countries, and we have started exporting as well. We have come a long way in the last few years. You know, we have embraced and almost leveraged the disruption in the capex cycle. We have been through the pandemic. We have gone through the first wave. We have fought through the second wave. We are fighting through the roadblocks that are coming our way, the steel prices volatility, the labor shortages and stuff like that. And we are equipped and we are motivated and we are thorough to keep fighting all the roadblocks that come our way by keeping our visions high and our beliefs strong. We have built a sound business with healthy financials and never compromised on our core values. And we have done all of this as a team, as a family. You know, the true assets are not the hundreds of crores sitting on our balance sheet. The true assets are the Epackians who day in and day out work so hard for us and create a company which has been outstanding in the domain that they operate in. They have built Epack kilo by kilo, ton by ton, square meter by square meter, day in and day out. All the Epackians, you are our true assets. Thank you so much for being with us and being a part of this. Thank you so much. It's truly a gratifying moment for me to speak amongst you all. I take this moment to welcome and thank all the stakeholders who have been part of this journey, who have been part of this IPO, for partnering with us in our journey, for believing in us, and for having faith in our purpose. Not to forget the commitments that our families have put in and day out. We have been seeing a lot of hard work from the team members, and the families have to compromise a lot for that. So you all are our pillar of strength. The ups and downs, the thicks and thins, the early morning reviews, the late night working, the weeks of traveling. The family is the one who gives us the power to keep running, to keep growing. And, I'm really, really heartful and thankful to all of you. Bade Papa and Dad, thank you for always guiding me. Thank you so much. I always say people with this name starting from S has been instrumental in my life. Always. My mom, Suman, thank you so much, Mommy. You are my heart. You have made me who I am today. Thank you so much. Sanjay Bhaiya, my mentor, my model, my guide, my everything in my career. You are instrumental in my life here. Thank you so much. Thank you. My lovely wife, Sanjana, thank you always for being my side. I know I have a lot of tantrums. Thank you for handling everything. Thank you for being there. Thank you so much. My kids, Aram and Ariana, thank you for keeping me young and energetic always. Thank you so much. It's an emotional moment, a lot of hard work, a lot of grit, but, forward-looking times are going to come, and they are going to be brighter and shinier. As we embark upon this new journey, and the new and exciting journey, we commit to deliver bigger and better. I wish you all good luck and Godspeed. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nikhilji, we can correlate the emotions that you're showing today and the commitments that I've seen myself personally. And thank you so much, Nikhilji. With that, I now invite Gaurav. We missed you, Gaurav, earlier. Now I invite you to please start the BRLM ceremony.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Motilal Oswal, I would like to express my gratitude to Bothra ji, Sanjay ji, Nikhil ji, Rahul, and the entire Epack management team. We feel truly privileged and honored to be part of this milestone journey of Epack IPO. Epack Prefab, we believe, has established itself as a formidable player in the pre-engineered building solution space. It's not just a strong growth, but it's backed by a very robust execution, speed, quality, precision. All of this has sort of come together to make what Epack today is all about. And I believe there are a few cornerstones to this. We see the promoters who have a long-term vision, the management team which is always agile and professional and deliver value. When all of this comes together, we've seen the interest that we got from the investors who've been decided to part of this journey of Epack IPO. Not to forget Jeff Capital, who has been a great partner and who has been very supportive in this entire IPO journey. On behalf of everyone, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the work done by all the intermediaries in making this transaction a successful one. Special thanks to the intermediaries, including the broking community, the registrars, the PR agency, the lawyers, the auditors who have worked tirelessly day and night to make this one. Once again, I would like to thank Bothra ji, Sanjay ji, and the entire Epack team, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
I would now invite our inspiration, our vision, and our MD and CEO, Mr. Sanjay Singhania, to the stage.
Very, very good morning, everyone. I have been allocated 5 minutes, And we are into prefab building business, so we are used to working within the timelines. So I'm starting at 9:17, and I will conclude before that. So very, very good morning, everyone. Today is a momentous day, and you'll be surprised to know that the company which today makes factories for the biggest of corporates in the country, for the biggest of multinationals in the company, started without having any proper shade, any factory. When I started this with 5 workers, 2 welders, 1 foreman, and 1 supervisor, we didn't have a factory, we didn't have any shade on top. What we had was grit, determination, passion, and the willingness to create value. What we had was the blessings of our parents, support of my co-founders, Mr. Bajrang Bothra, Mr. L.P. Bothra, Ajay Singhania. What we had was the ability to be forward-looking, the ability to create value, and moreover, the Banya mindset, the ability to create value at places and things which others can't even see. Just like when we started the packaging vertical in 2000 in Greater Noida, we didn't have a plan. All we had was passion and compassion and togetherness of the families, the Bothra and the Singhania families. Today also, when I speak, I'm speaking with my heart. I don't have any speech. But it has been a great journey. God has been very, very kind. And more importantly, it is the new age India, the transformation which we have seen in the last 10 years in this country that has created a capex cycle, and we are a very small part of this capex cycle in the country. I'm really thankful, first of all, to my team. I want to start with them. A lot of them are here today, so I will name each one of them for their contribution. Sitting in front of me is Sunilji, our first employee in sales, my first partner in sales. Yogesh Pakhaliji, the strong design head. Rao Saab, our operations. Manoj Pradhan, a very young and dynamic operations person. You know, like Vijayji, I can't say Vijayji. Rahulji is obviously here, yes. And, you know, like people who have been associated from the day one. Rohit, Umesh, Sanjeev, everyone. And also, more importantly, today, as I'm standing here, 850 people who are working relentlessly day in and day out across India, across 30 states in the country, in very, very difficult terrain. They are watching me. So I want to thank each one of you for your contribution, for all the sweat you put into the company, for all you are creating the nation. We are into infrastructure business. We create the nation. And sometimes we really face tough challenges, but I know from my heart that you are there. And when you are there, then I can definitely sleep with peace. So thank you so much, everyone, for contributing. This is for all of you and all your hard work. I've already thanked my co-founders for their support, for their, you know, like everything. They have been a guiding force at times when you are down and you want the support. So they have been very, very kind. They have given me the opportunity to take decisions. They have entrusted me with their money. So जितना मैं बोलूँ उतना कम होगा आप लोग सब तीनों के लिए. I'm really grateful. I want to express my love, my regards to my protege, Nikhil Bothra. He has been with me in the last 12 years. He has held a lot of ground. He has come up very well. He has groomed himself. He has worked hard. He has sacrificed his vacations. So thank you so much, Nikhil, for being an important part of my journey. I want to thank my wife, Preeti, who has, again, as Nikhil said, that, you know, Sanjana has taken his tantrums. So yes, Preeti, so much, you know, like for being always there, for being a strong support, for, you know, for doing everything for me. I love you. And it has been a great journey, you know, like of the last 28 years. And when we started Epack, we started this first plant on 4th of December, 99. And my daughter Divisha was born 2 days later on 6th of December, 99. So now she is getting married in February, and we are getting listed today. So it has been a great journey on both the fronts. I also want to, like there's a very special person in my life now. So it's my son-in-law, Jackrit. I welcome him. I welcome his father, Pritam Goelji. I want to also thank our team from Epack Group Company. I can see the faces of Latif ji, Rajesh Mittal ji, Manish ji, Saurav, Manish Gadodia ji, I forgot Manish. So they have all been an important part of the Epack family, Epack Group, which has been growing consistently. I'm left with 30 seconds. Okay, so I want to also thank our IPO partners, the BRLMs, Motilal Oswal and team, Monarch and team, DLL, CB team, Bhatia team, Talati team, and last but not the least, the people who trusted us with their money, the Jeff team, the Jeff Capital. So we have Sridhar, I can't see Sridhar, okay, yeah, Krishnan. Okay, thank you so much. And yes, when you don't have a script, then you tend to follow a lot of good people, the people who are closest to you. So I'm sure I must have forgotten someone, but I thank all of you from the core of my heart. So, Jai Bharat, Jai Pragati, Jai Epack. Thank you.
Don't you think this deserves another round of applause? Sir, the journey with you has been phenomenal. And at Epack, we say that we are just getting started. So, and I'm sure what Sanjay ji meant was that as well. The journey has been phenomenal for us until now, but we are just getting started. So now I invite our visionary, our chairman, Mr. Bajrang Bothra, to share some words with us. Sir.
Both Nikhil and Sanjay have spoken a lot of things, and they, spoke from their heart, unscripted, but I have a scripted speech. So for the sake of, the time, and time is very important today to maintain the time. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Respected friends, valued investors, private equity partners, colleagues, regulators, dear friends, and family, and all the stakeholders. Today is a proud and historic day for all of us at Epack Group. Just last year, in January 2024, our group company, Epack Durables Limited, was successfully listed on the stock exchange. That milestone marked our entry into the capital market and validated the hard work, vision, and trust we had built over the years. Now, within a short span of time, we are now celebrating another milestone today, the listing of Epack Prefab Technologies. This moment is not just about one company. It reflects the collective efforts of the entire Epack Group, working with passion and determination to create a sustainable, innovative, and high-quality technological solutions for India and beyond. At Epack Prefab, our journey has always been driven by a single purpose: to bring speed, quality, and innovation into construction of prefab and pre-engineered solutions and thermocol packaging and insulation material. Over the years, we have built a reputation for reliability and excellence. This listing reinforces our responsibility. We are now accountable to a wider community of stakeholders, and we remain committed to a strong governance, transparency, and long-term value creation. As we look ahead, our focus will be on, number one, expanding our manufacturing footprint with world-class facilities in Noida, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and other geographies of the country and on the planet. Number two, leveraging our strong order book to deliver a project on time with quality, precision, and speed. Number three, innovating in sustainable and technological-driven prefab solutions to meet the needs of the tomorrow's infrastructure. Last but not the least, number 4, keep looking for inorganic growth opportunities for long-term value creation for all our stakeholders. On behalf of the entire group, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the colleagues, investors, private equity partners, customers, regulators, and advisors. Your faith in us has brought us here. This listing is not just a destination, it is the beginning of an even bigger journey. With Epack Durable and now Epack Prefab in the listing space, the Epack Group is poised for greater growth, stronger innovation, and lasting value creation. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable occasion. Here it is to build a stronger future together. Thank you very much.
The inspiration that our chairman, sir, gives us on a daily basis is truly remarkable. You know, the vision that he asks us to leave is only excellence and nothing else. And we at our company, both Epack as well as Durable, try to live up to that excellence day in and day out. And with that, sir, thank you so much. And a round applause for our chairman, Mr. Bajrang Bothra, sir. Now, we will move ahead by inviting Dr. Harish Ahuja, who is the head of issuer relationship at NSE. Sir, we request you to please share your kind words with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Shri Bajrang Bothra, Chairman Epack Prefab. Shri Sanjay Singhania, MD and CEO Epack Prefab. Shri Nikhil Bothra, Whole-Time Director Epack Prefab. Shri Ajay Singhania, Honorary Director Epack Prefab. Shri Gaurav Sarangi from Motilal Oswal, is he here or still he's yet to join? Shri Sahil Kiniwala from Monarch, board members of the company, employees and founder family of the company, family members of the founders and employees present here, which have come all the way from Noida, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Epack Prefab Technologies Limited. I'm very happy to share that Epack Prefab is 2,862nd company to list at NSE. As being shared, a public listing is not just a financial event. It is much more than that. It's a new beginning, a new chapter in terms of company performance, in terms of company's corporate governance standards, in terms of leadership style, which will showcase to the world, and most importantly, the spirit of entrepreneurship, which will keep showing up so that shareholder can get inspired and keep investing with you. I would like to share certain important data. As on today, India stands 4th largest capital market in the world after US, China, and Japan. If you see the market cap of listed companies in terms of rupee, this is around 449 lakh crores. In terms of US dollar, is roughly $5 trillion. I just like to give a basic maths. If you would have invested 1,000 rupees in year 1994, which was the operational year of NSE, this would have become 1,25,000 today, roughly 125 times in rupee terms. If you calculate year-on-year, only on index, around 14.5% post-tax returns, which is one of the remarkable returns given by NSE. At NSE, our commitment had been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in their growth, and most important, Indian economy to thrive. In last 30 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, propelling economic prosperity through capital formation, fundraising, job creation, and most important thing, wealth creation for all of us. Some very important record-breaking data, which I like to share, most of you may be aware, but I think I like to repeat it for the sake of repetition. In calendar year 2024, NSE emerged amongst the global leader in terms of IPO fund mobilization. In financial 2025, we did 242 IPOs, raising around 1.7 lakh crores, equivalent to $20 billion, which was a world record. This year too, so far, and you must be seeing today, 3 listing ceremonies are happening, it's buzzing with the activity, a lot of Lakshmi flowing to the hands of the people, good. This year also we had done roughly 57 companies, I would say not roughly, precisely 57 companies, which have raised 66,000 crores so far, the end of 30th September today. The way things are shaping up, the way SEBI and exchange are giving the approvals, it appears that we may cross this milestone of 242, which we achieved last year. So India is going to become, or I think already become, the IPO capital of the world. And I'm very happy to share that even Gift City would be witnessing its first global listing. So, and that will be in dollar terms. So I think India is setting the new records, and we are all participant of this, being part of this listing ceremony. I think some or other way we are witnessing that journey physically. NSE today serves almost 12 crore unique investors, which hold around 23.5 crore accounts. Barring few railway stations and airports, we are present across India. So we cover almost 99.85% PIN codes. These PIN codes, which are station, railway station, we cannot complete the KYC. Otherwise, we could have covered them also, So, but today I'm very proud to share that this entire platform of 12 crore investor, 23.5 crore unique accounts are open for investment now in your company, Epack Prefab. I'm very happy to share this broad investor base and a fair, efficient, and transparent technology platform like NSE to you, all of you. In the end, I'd like to congratulate the entire team of Prefab, Epack Prefab, the merchant bankers, Monarch Capital, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, legal advisor Denson, Link Legal, PR agency Concept Communication, and other parties associated with this successful endeavor. Today's listing ceremony marks just a beginning in a relationship. I was told that one of your companies already in BSE, and today you are listed this company with NSE. I would assure you that at NSE, your future fundraising opportunities would be immense. This broad investor base will give you a lot of opportunities to raise subsequent round of fund, and will be there to support you. We may believe that this journey of your listing would be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Namaskar. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Sir, I would request you to stay back, please, on the stage. Now, NSE would felicitate us with the NSE Bell replica memento, with the proud to be listed badges and NSE coffee table book. So now I request Mr. Sanjay Singhania and Mr. Nikhil Bothra to come and collect that memento, please. And if I may, sir, if I may join you as well. Yeah. I would request Dr. Ahuja to please stay on stage and the management team of Epack as well to stay on the stage. Sir, thank you so much for your kind words, and we look forward to creating another records at NSE as well. So now I request company team to felicitate NSE with the memento, please. Can we have a round of applause, please? Sir, can I request all of you to please sit back? Dr. Ahuja, may I request you to please stay back, sir? So this is the time now we acknowledge the work of our fellow members, our BRLMs, our legal team, and the ad agency, etc., who have helped us come to this stage. So we'll go one by one. First, I would request Monarch team to please come on stage and collect the memento from NSE. Monarch was our left lead. Sahil, I can only tell you have been phenomenal in this journey. Vivek, Ayushi, please join in. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Ayushi. Now I request the Motilal team led by Mr. Gaurav to please collect the memento from NSE. Big round of applause for Motilal as well. They have been phenomenal in our journey. The other, the individual, I don't know if I can see Milind around. Milind, are you there? Yeah, Milind, you have been phenomenal. Diksha, I can only thank you from the bottom of the heart. Salinder, I can only thank you from the bottom of the heart. May I request you to please collect the memento from NSE, please. The other individual from the legal team that I look up to is Biplab. You have been phenomenal, Biplab. May I request you to please come on stage and collect this memento from NSE. Biplab and the other team member, Dhruv, Saini. Thank you, Biplab. Thank you, Saini. Please come in. And the last, I would request Sanjay Lohia ji and the team, concept team, who have been a proud partner for us in making sure that we are rightly present across all the platforms. We marketed ourselves really well. We tried to put our story ahead. Thank you for that. Please come in. So concept team, Sanjay is not there, so I request the other team members to please collect this. So thank you so much for this. We really appreciate that. Moving ahead, it's time that we as a company also felicitate our members of the team from BRLM, from legal counsels to the legal advisors, to the print ad, to the auditor team, etc. Now I request Sanjay sir and Bajrang sir to please join us on the stage so that we could felicitate some of the members, and then I will request LP sir, Ajay sir to join later on, please. Bajrang sir, Sanjay sir, Nikhil ji, you may also join, please. Now I again request, BRLM Gaurav this time to please come and collect the memento from the company team, Gaurav. You have been phenomenal. I already mentioned that. Thank you again. Now I request Monarch team, our left lead partner, to please join us on the stage and take this memento, please. It is said that governance, is the most important element of the business. You may come, there may be a quarter where the company might not do well, right? But I, from the bottom of my heart, thank the auditor team to be that governing principle, to be that governing council, for us to stay tuned, to stay down to earth, and to ensure that we have the highest governance standard in the company. Manish Bhai and the team, I request you to please collect the memento from our management team. A round applause for the auditor team, please. They have been phenomenal, and only they could make this possible in a short time. And this auditor team is Talati and Talati. Both the Delhi partners as well as the Ahmedabad, the Baroda partners are with us today. Mr. Chanakya is also there with us from the Delhi side. So I'll request you to take your seat, sir. So may I request you to take your seat, please? Earlier, Sanjay ji mentioned that, this is a foundation of the Bothra's family. We haven't yet seen our two founders, promoter, Mr. LP Bothra and Mr. Ajay Singhania. May I request you, sir, to please come on stage and help with felicitation for a few other members. So I'll start with DLL team. Can I request Milind and team to please come and collect the memento from our founder promoters, Mr. Ajay ji and Mr. LP Bothra, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have been rock. I request Viplab from CB team to please come on stage and collect this memento from our founder promoters. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. May I request now Rajat ji and Nitin ji to please join us on the stage. They're from the third generation founder promoter and an equal partner in taking the company and the group ahead. I would request Sanjay ji from concept team or the team to please come and collect the memento, please. So thank you so much, Rajat ji and Nitin ji. Divisha, Avishi, I can't see you both. Can I request you also to please come? And I would request the registrar to please come. If there is anybody from the registrar community here, to please come. And if they are not there, then I would request the printer team. Printer team, anybody is there from Western? Printer team? Anybody from printer team? Sahil, would you collect the memento on behalf of the printer team, please? Western. So Western Press and Print Trade were our printer team. And is there anybody from the printer team? Yeah, I can see somebody. So Sahil, they are joining. Is there? Sorry, so you were a little late, but we'll wait, right? So that's okay. Thank you so much, Divisha, Avishi, and the Western team. So we will, go ahead with our journey ahead in this program. And, our chairman and our MD mentioned that there's one very important partner sitting in this room who believed in us, who said that you are going to rock. And I now invite Mr. Sridhar from Jeff to please share a few words, sir.
Colleagues Krishnan and Siddharth, who are also here in the audience. It's been a great privilege for us to have partnered Epack Prefab about a year back. It's been a great journey. That partnership came about because we had spent many months talking to the founding team and talking to the management team, getting to understand their culture, their business philosophy, and their integrity. And at the end of that exercise, we felt that in the Epack team, we have found a partner who truly empathizes and believes in the values that we as a fund stand for. Those values include not just delivering very strong commercial returns, but also building a business based on principles and sustainability. For those of you who don't know us, we are a global private equity fund investing largely in sustainability-oriented businesses. So in Sanjay, Nikhil, and the rest of the team here, we have found a very ideal partner who stands for everything that we've held very dear for us for the last 30 years. I wish all of you great success. I wish you many more milestones, and we remain very confident that you will continue to grow from strength to strength. This is the beginning of your journey, so thank you very much for having made us a part of this, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, Siddharth. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishnan. Thank you so much, Sridhar, for putting us that trust in us. And we can only say that your money is only safe and will keep growing with us. Thank you so much. Can I now request our founder promoter, Mr. LP Bothra, to come and share a vote of thanks, and then followed by the BRLM from Monarch.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning Suprabhat, Pranam. What a proud moment for Epack Parivar today. Love you, Epack Parivar. Love you, Epack Parivar. आज रामनवमी एवं नवरात्रि के पावन अवसर पर हमारी कंपनी ईपैक प्रीफैब टेक्नोलॉजीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड लिस्ट होने जा रही है। वास्तव में हम सभी देवी देवताओं की कृपा हम पर बनी हुई है और आप सभी के आशीर्वाद से ये कार्य संपन्न होने जा रहा है। I must thank universe for friendship of our founder chairman Sri Poonamchandji Bothra and Sri D.D. Singhania ji for putting effort of fertile seed of Epack with the trust, transparency, tolerance and togetherness. 49 years ago, हृदय से नमन उन दोनों पुण्य आत्माओं को जिन्होंने ये बीजारोपण किया। Surely their blessings from heaven made this day to happen. Their vision continue to inspire us every day, every minute. Really grateful to our respected Chairman Sri Bajrang Bothra ji, our inspiring leaders Sri Sanjay Singhania ji and Nikhil Bothra ji for their outstanding contribution. Your leadership, passion and dedication have transformed Epack Prefab into a symbol of innovations and growth. I must really thank SEBI, ROC, all government regulators, its offices for supporting, guiding and advising us from time to time. A special thanks to our leadership of National Stock Exchange and team members for hosting this superb successful event and support given to Epack. I take this opportunity to all bankers, legal partners and auditors. Thanks to Concept PR team, media team, partners, catering agencies, securities and associates for their continual support to make this event memorable. A special thanks to our CFO, Rahul Agrawal ji, and entire Epack team who worked hard day and night to make this IPO and listing ceremony a grand success. Sincere thanks to all our directly and indirectly partners. Grateful to all past and present employees of Epack Group, their families and valued customers, supplier partners, service providers for their immense support to achieve this milestone today. Keep us wishing us. Bothra Parivar and Singhania Parivar, along with Epack Parivar, is very, very fortunate and thankful to all our family members, relatives, sandhis, friends for coming and blessing us on this joyful event. My sincere, दिल के गहराइयों से gratitude to every single shareholder, investors community for trusting Epack. On behalf of Board of Directors, Management, and all members of Epack family, I fully acknowledge that Epack is committed to uphold core values to greater heights. Dear shareholders, Naman aap sabhi ko. With your support, we are confident that Epack Prefab will reach new heights and contribution strongly to our national growth. Thanks, 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 universe. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Mataji, Jai Sri Balaji Babosa, Jai Sri, Jai, Jai, Jai. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for that spiritual connect, sir. It's an important part of our life. Now I invite Sahil to please share a few words and then we can obviously go for the countdown. Right, Sahil? I request to ensure that this time we don't miss the countdown.
Sure, Rahul. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Monarch Network, it gives me immense pleasure to have you all today at the listing ceremony of Epack Prefab Technologies Limited. I would like to extend my warm greetings to Dr. Harish Ahuja from NSC, management of Epack, Bothra family, Singhania family, and all other distinguished guests present over here. Epack Prefab journey is a remarkable story of vision, resilience, and innovation. Incorporated in 1999, the company has built a legacy of over 25 years, establishing itself as a leading integrated solution provider in prefab solution space and a trusted manufacturer of EPS products. Over the years, Epack has successfully catered to over 2,000 plus customers, earning a reputation for quality, reliability, and turnkey solutions. Epack is the third largest company in terms of installed capacity in the pre-engineered steel bending industry. Over the last 3 fiscal years, Epack had a fabulous performance in terms of numbers. They have demonstrated a strong growth and exceptional financial performance. Epack is the fastest growing in terms of the revenue. I would like to, I think in the interest of the time, I would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude to the management team of Epack Prefab, Mr. Bajrang Bothra, Mr. Sanjay Singhania, Mr. Ajay Singhania, Mr. Lakshmipad Bothra, Mr. Nikhil Bothra, whose vision, dedication, and leadership have been central to achieving this milestone. I would also like to acknowledge Mr. Rahul Agarwal, Chief Financial Officer, for his contribution and ensuring the smooth execution of this IPO. Further, I would also like to thank Mr. Narayan Lodha, Group CFO, and other team members of Epack for their contribution in the IPO. I think I would also like to thank all the intermediaries and our Monarch team for the success of this IPO. Congratulations once again to the entire prefab team. Thank you.
Well, it's the time of the day when what we are all wishing to for the company. So, I request Rajat-ji, Nitin-ji, Lakshmi sir, Ajay sir, Divisha, Vishi, please come on. And here is the countdown. I want all of you to start the countdown at 10. Okay?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Loud round of applause for us, please. It's an important milestone that the company is now listed both at NSE as well as BSE. Sir, we would request
Bothra and Singhania family, please come for the photographs.
the few mementos that are still awaited. So I request Shireen, PCS team to stay back, please. And there is another team that I can't see. So I'll request Shireen, you stay back, please, okay?
Now with this, I request Mehta family also to please join on the stage.
I think I have not seen Prachi and Anant as well. Are you there? Yeah, so please wait, Prachi.
So everybody, we have our CEO and MD, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan sir here. So kindly, yeah, and Dr. Harish Shahuja. So we have to give some path to have the photo ops. Yeah.
Sanjay sir, can I request you to please come?
Yeah.
Sanjay sir,
So if you can just announce that all the.
we have our MD NSC here. Sanjay ji, we will take the photograph for the family in a while. Sanjay ji, please come, sir.
Want also now because then after that then people can take the photograph. But ask people to wait for just 2-3 minutes.
फोटो हो गया सर. Ajay sir, please. हाँ हाँ Sir, we have a surprise gift from NSC. Nikhil ji, Bajrang sir, Sanjay sir, can I request you to please collect that surprise from NSC, please? Dr. Ahuja is going to give us a surprise gift. May I request you, sir, to collect that? We have few mementos that we will have to give.
Now I request Mahendraji Lodha, Sneha Lodha, Kishanji Agarwal, and Pankajji Choradia also please join stage. Mahendraji Sneha, Pankajji Shashi, Kishanji Madhu, please join us. Sri Pramodji Dugar, please join us. Also, I request Vipin Gupta ji, Saran Bihari Agarwal ji, and Susma Bhavi ji, please join us. Praveenji Bachawat, please join us.
नहीं स्पीच नहीं है. Sanjay sir, Nikhil sir, may I invite you, please? Sanjay ji and Nikhil ji, can I invite you on the stage, please, once? Sir, I need you for a moment. Sir, I need you for a moment. Nikhil ji, I need you for a moment, please. Can I request Concept to bring the memento? Shireen, PCS team, can I request you to please come and collect the memento from Sanjay ji and Nikhil ji, please? Thank you so much, Shireen. You have been instrumental in getting us to this stage. Nikita, our compliance and company secretary, has been instrumental to get us to this stage. Nikita, thank you so much. Nikita, you may also join Shireen, I would say. Concept team, can I request you to get the memento, please? Concept team, please get the memento.